Hello, welcome. Today in this video I'm going to be making little coffins. I designed these coffins to be assembled very easily. Now let's get started. Once you have the file, all you have to do is drag and drop it onto your work area on the Glowforge website. All the information for the files and products used on this video will be in the description. Join me on Facebook to have access to the free files. After cutting everything out perfectly, let's get ready to build this coffin. I've been dying to make this. This piece goes underneath the lid to help it align perfectly. And this other piece is for the bottom. Once you get the edges connected, everything snaps into place. I use this real thin water crazy glue that's real crazy because it'll glue anything around it. Now after the coffin's built completely, we're going to paint it. If you're using wood, I could just imagine how beautiful it will look with mahogany, oak, redwood, or whatever type of wood that you're going to use. Let me take a minute to give a shout out to GS2 Awards and Laser Supplies for good service and fast shipping and offering some very good product. I highly recommend them, and this is not a sponsored video. Now let's get back into spray painting. You're gonna notice that the coffins are black on the outside. I painted them by accident. I like to paint the inside of the coffins first with whatever color I'm using. Then once the paint's dried to the touch, I flip them over. Then I'll paint the back of the coffin black so I could have a nice transition on the edges of the paint. Here's a little trick. Use your scrap pieces to cover the edges of the coffin lid so the paint doesn't interfere with the lid going back onto the coffin. And if you have made it this far, I would like to say thank you. Give it a thumbs up if you have learned anything, and stay connected. I have a lot more videos coming out like this.